Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. On this channel, all news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded up to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. XRP experienced a marginal decline of 0.88% on the recent Saturday, partially reversing the 1.05% gain observed on Friday. The day concluded with XRP priced at $0.5078. The past week saw ongoing court deliberations regarding the SEC motion for an interlocutory appeal in the case against Ripple. Judge Annalisa Torres, who presides over the SEC v. Ripple case, received all the pertinent arguments for the SEC motion by September 8. However, predicting the exact timing of rulings is challenging. Some rulings may be delivered within a week, while others may take several months, contingent upon the case's intricacy. Judge Torres is expected to carefully consider the arguments presented, applying due diligence rather than rushing the process, even though she has already applied the Howey test in her previous ruling. The uncertainty surrounding the ruling on the SEC motion has dampened the appetite of XRP buyers, potentially impacting its price trajectory. The length of deliberation and the ultimate outcome remain uncertain, adding to investor unease. A prolonged review period could further test investor resilience. Of particular note is the interlinking of the SEC motion for interlocutory appeal with the ongoing SEC case against Coinbase, Coin. In August, Coinbase filed a motion seeking dismissal of SEC charges, including allegations of operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Other charges involve the unregistered offering and selling of securities related to their staking as a service program. A ruling in favor of Coinbase's dismissal motion, especially if delivered before Judge Torres's ruling, could significantly benefit the U.S. crypto market and potentially influence the outcome of the SEC motion for interlocutory appeal. Moreover, Judge Torres might reference a ruling by Judge Catherine P. Farilla, particularly if it supports her position and addresses criticism from Judge Jed S. Rakoff in the SEC v. Terraform Labs case. Judge Rakoff questioned Judge Torres's classification of XRP as a non-security in programmatic sales, emphasizing the equivalence between stocks and institutional sales in terms of security classification. The ongoing uncertainty has resulted in a state of suspense for XRP and the broader crypto market. The implications of these legal rulings on the crypto market and respective cases are substantial. John E. Deaton, founder and attorney at Crypto Law US, is of the opinion that a favorable ruling on Coinbase's dismissal motion might incentivize the SEC to seek a settlement with Ripple. Deaton notably represented over 70,000 XRP holders in the SEC v. Ripple case as an amicus curiae. In terms of XRP's technical analysis, it remains below the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages, EMAs, reinforcing bearish price signals. A breach of the $0.5042 support level could bring the price below 48 cents, underlining the prevailing uncertainty regarding the SEC motion for interlocutory appeal. Conversely, surpassing the 200-day EMA could pave the way for an XRP surge towards the trend line. Nevertheless, such a move would necessitate positive updates from the ongoing SEC cases to substantiate a breakout from the 200-day EMA. If XRP falls below the 50-day EMA, it may target sub-48 cents, further influenced by the 14-to-4 hourly relative strength index, RSI. Readings indicating a potential dip below 50 cents before entering oversold territory. AI Xrp New News Updates. XRP currently maintains a position above the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, but resides below the 200-day EMA, signaling a bullish outlook in the short term while presenting a bearish stance for the longer term. Should XRP successfully breach the 200-day EMA, it would likely propel a movement towards the established trend line. However, for such a breakthrough to materialize, investors would necessitate positive updates from the ongoing SEC cases, acting as a catalyst for this potential shift. On the flip side, a dip below the 50-day EMA would reinforce a break beneath the critical $0.5042 support level, targeting a sub-48 cents territory. Analyzing the 14-4 hourly relative strength index, RSI, with a reading of 46.89, it suggests a possible return of XRP to sub-50 cents before approaching oversold conditions. A fundamental factor that could significantly influence XRP's price is the tokenization of assets. With more prominent entities seeking secure and efficient ways to tokenize their assets, the XRP ledger, with its established reputation and capabilities, becomes an attractive option. Asset tokenization involves converting the value of physical or other assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. Holding substantial value on the XRP ledger inadvertently restricts the freely circulating supply of XRP. A reduced supply in the open market could elevate its value due to scarcity. XRP's intrinsic value proposition lies in providing on-demand liquidity for cross-border transactions. Essentially, it acts as a bridge currency, facilitating faster and cost-effective currency transfers globally. When combining asset tokenization, which potentially decreases the available supply of XRP, with the escalating demand for on-demand liquidity, a situation arises where numerous transactions compete for a limited number of XRP tokens. With a limited token supply for a burgeoning number of transactions, basic economics dictates an increase in XRP's price. This blend of scarcity resulting from asset tokenization and demand stemming from liquidity services could create a potent force, driving a substantial price surge. Although a price prediction of $100,000 for XRP may appear ambitious, comprehending the potential factors involved renders it less implausible. The convergence of substantial entities tokenizing assets and the growing demand for XRP's on-demand liquidity services might set the stage for unprecedented price levels. However, as is the nature of the volatile cryptocurrency realm, it remains imperative to conduct thorough research and exercise caution in all transactions and investments. Xrp New News Updates. Steven Neroff, a former advisor at Ethereum Foundation, commended the steadfastness of the XRP holder community for standing by the cryptocurrency during challenging times. He specifically referenced the ongoing Ripple lawsuit, which recently saw a significant ruling by U.S. Judge Annalisa Torres in a summary judgment. The judgment notably classified XRP token sales to retail buyers as not securities, marking a partial victory for Ripple. Neroff acknowledged the community's resilience despite facing regulatory obstacles and emphasized their dedication during trying regulatory circumstances. In the backdrop of this, it's worth noting that the SEC's complaint against Ripple concerning the alleged sale of XRP tokens as securities was unveiled in the last quarter of 2020. During this period, Neroff had his own legal battles, with the U.S. federal prosecutors dropping criminal extortion charges against him. These charges were linked to accusations of fund extortion during his involvement with an ICO for a startup. Neroff expressed astonishment at the unity and determination displayed by the XRP community in facing these challenges. He highlighted that, in his extensive experience within various cryptocurrency communities, the XRP community stood out for its dedication and civility. Earlier, reports indicated that Neroff had pointed fingers at Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin and his father Dmitry Buterin, accusing him of orchestrating a coordinated character assassination attack against him. This was part of a series of allegations made by Neroff related to corruption within the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and irregularities surrounding the Ethereum initial coin offering, ECO, in 2014. He claimed to possess supporting records for these allegations. Furthermore, John Deaton, the attorney representing thousands of XRP token holders in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, confirmed having seen the records Neroff mentioned, hinting at potential further revelations. Xrp New News Updates. The price of Ripple, XRP, has exhibited a lack of buying pressure following its legal win against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on July 13. Since then, the remittance token has been on a downward trajectory. Given Ripple's current position, a further decline would not be unexpected. XRP has witnessed a substantial 47% decrease in price since its partial victory against the SEC on July 13. Presently, the token is trading at $0.507, with on-chain metrics signaling an increasing bearish outlook. The 30-day average of 24-hour active addresses currently stands at 15,500, reflecting an 89% decline from the figure of 144,700 observed on August 13. This sharp drop indicates waning interest from XRP investors, implying a flight of capital. Moreover, network growth has also shown a consistent decline, with lower highs. This decline further substantiates the decreasing interest from investors, as previously indicated. Considering these bearish on-chain metrics, investors should anticipate a potential further slide in Ripple, XRP, price. Presently, the token is trading at $0.507 after successfully converting the $0.541 resistance level into a support floor. If buyers fail to assert themselves, it could trigger a 19% decline to reach the next critical support level at $0.407. On the other hand, the bearish thesis would be invalidated if XRP price manages to flip the $0.541 resistance level into a support floor. In such a scenario, XRP price could attempt a 23% rally to reach the next significant level at $0.665. Xrp New News Updates. A prominent cryptocurrency holder, using the pseudonym Jin, on X, formerly known as Twitter, currently ranks among the top 1% of XRP holders according to the XRP Rich List. Jin has emerged as a vocal critic of XRP, expressing discontent with the cryptocurrency as an investment. Having held XRP for 6+ years, Jin's assessment is clear. XRP stands as their most disappointing crypto investment to date. Over the years, XRP has consistently underperformed compared to newer cryptocurrencies. Periodic spikes in XRP's price are followed by rapid declines, leaving investors disillusioned. Jin observes a concerted effort by XRP enthusiasts to propagate the cryptocurrency through various social media platforms, often amplifying overly optimistic news. However, Jin highlights the lack of substantial information about XRP's actual functionality, describing its current status as nothing but cap, mixed with a massive dose of hopium, cover in bullshit, and sprinkled with hype, with a spin Dr. Cherry on top. If you mention the lame XRP price to these XRP social media platforms, they often resort to shaming you and then to name-calling tactics. Apparently, in their perspective, we all bought XRP solely as a payment method, and concerns about the XRP price is the focus of less intelligent crypto investors. But the worst diversion from the weak XRP price, according to Jin, is the "look what Ethereum did" XRP price distraction. They cheated. XRP is being held back because they cheated. Jin says. He likes to counter the argument with, what Ethereum did in the past has absolutely nothing to do with what XRP is not doing today. According to Jin, the continuous cycle of enthusiastic predictions, commonly depicted in charts by revered XRP community analysts such as Xrp Crypto, who produces a new XRP technical chart every other day proclaiming an imminent moonshot for XRP, has lost its allure. The repeated failure of these predictions to materialize, and the subsequent litany of excuses explaining XRP's inability to sustain a price above 50 cents, have grown tiresome over the years. Then there is the proper party, hosted by Ripple for the XRP community. More hype. There will be no IPO announcement made at the touted proper party, contrary to what XRP YouTubers want you to believe. The SEC is battling Ripple in court at this very moment. Does anyone who applies common sense think the SEC is going to approve a Ripple IPO while on the other hand challenging Ripple in court? The analogy of being in a troubled marriage aptly describes Jin's sentiments towards their XRP investment. The feeling of entrapment due to past time and financial losses incurred by holding XRP contrasts with the potential gains that could have been achieved by investing in high-performing alternatives like Solana and other thriving cryptocurrencies. Jin points out that ventures built on the XRP ledger, such as Sologenic and the Sologenic DEX, have also struggled to flourish. This situation vividly illustrates the reticence within the community to acknowledge the stark reality that the proclaimed king, XRP, is lacking substantial progress. Few are willing to address the fundamental concerns. the touted partnerships by Ripple, the recent legal victory against the SEC, the enigmatic personas like the Riddler, the Bearable Guy, Mr. Pool, Crypto Granny, and the myriad of YouTube and social media posts advocating for XRP. Despite this, the cryptocurrency's price hasn't seen the surge necessary to captivate institutional investors for transactional use. The undeniable truth is that XRP remains a coin largely driven by hype and hopium, and it's imperative for its true potential to be realized or for it to gracefully fade from the limelight. Jin says, the phrase, shit, or get off the pot, epitomizes this urgent need for XRP's tangible progress. Acknowledging the difficulty for XRP investors to confront these facts, Jin unveils a personal strategy. I'm selling 95% of my XRP tokens during the next significant price surge. This decision stems from the desire to avoid enduring another 6 years of hype, misinformation, conspiracy theories, and flawed chart analyses before XRP potentially showcases genuine value. In conclusion, Jin says, retail investors need to face the fact that we got suckered. We got fugazed. AI Precious Metals New News Update. As of the latest updates, here are the current prices for precious metals. Gold, $1,924.80 per ounce, up $5.30. Silver, $23.52 per ounce, up 14 cents. Platinum, $927 per ounce, up $8. Palladium, $1,227 per ounce, down $12. Rhodium, $3,450 per ounce, with no change in price. Rhodium is a silver-white metallic element, is highly resistant to corrosion, and is extremely reflective. It is used as a finish for jewelry, mirrors, and searchlights. It is also used in electric connections and is alloyed with platinum for aircraft turbine engines. Another use is manufacturing of nitric acid and used in hydrogenation of organic compounds. Rhodium usage is dominated by automotive catalyst applications where it is used together with platinum and palladium to control exhaust emissions. South Africa is the major source, accounting for almost 60% of the world's rhodium supply. Russia is the second largest producer, although its sales are, as with the other PGMs, volatile and subject to political intervention. High rhodium prices during the late 1980s led to increased rhodium production from South Africa. This increased supply was primarily responsible for a declining rhodium price during the 1990s. Interruptions to Russian supply since early 1997 have helped the rhodium price to recover strongly. Kitco provides historical price charts updating on a daily basis. Please note that precious metal prices can fluctuate rapidly, and it's advisable to check real-time prices for the most accurate and up-to-date information. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.